TikTok Facebook login problem. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the login problem on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to fix the TikTok login Facebook problem, it's actually quite simple. The reason you could be having issue is because maybe you're trying to log into TikTok. Your TikTok account was maybe linked with your Facebook account, but now when you try to continue with Facebook, it is not letting you log in at all. Now there are a couple of reasons as to why this happens. First of all, make sure that you are logged in on the Facebook app on your mobile phone. Once you make sure of that, long press the TikTok app icon, tap the I button to come to its app information page. Then simply go to storage, clear the cache files and make sure to clear the data. Once you have done that, now you can simply open up TikTok. Now if you're still not being able to continue with Facebook, most likely it could be because your account was not linked with your Facebook. So that is also a thing you have to consider. If you remember your phone number or email, you can try to log in with those. But now if you tap and continue with Facebook, you should be able to log in without any issues. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.